we're going to see how you can use Formgram to organize your to-do lists. So first we can go to a browser, and we're going to go to formgram.com. If you scroll down, you will see a simple example of a form where you can take notes about a to-do item or a problem that you see. So for example, I want to describe a problem with a Lego and that it's warped. So I'm going to write that here in the description block, and it would probably help whoever's reading this to have a photo or a picture of the Lego that has a problem. So I'm going to select the camera icon here, and it's going to pull up all my photos. I'm going to have taken a photo of the broken Lego earlier, so I'm going to select that here. You notice that it's warped and that it needs to be replaced, so that's the problem. So I'm going to choose this photo. It uploads right there in its place, and we also have other metadata and descriptions about this problem that we can add. So in this case, it's a to-do item related to a problem, and there's several problem types that are already preloaded in this form. And if we just type the letter M like I just did, you'll see 3 examples that are already pre-populated, and you can select one of them, like material. But if none of these options is a good description, we can make our own. So we can type in toys, for example, as a problem type. And you can also see that the current date and the time is also entered for us here automatically. And today is December 17 and time is 4:24, and we're on the West Coast. But if you're in New York doing this, you would probably see the same date and 7:24 Eastern time. So this form is smart enough to know what time zone you're in, and it enters the date in a time format that makes sense to whoever's reading this. And there's also a address here that's also entered for us automatically by itself, and this is my current location, and it's in the city of Costa Mesa, California, with a zip code. And we also have a checkbox for potentially a reviewer to check. So if in a peer review process, or if the manager or inspector is looking at this, they can use this checkbox to indicate that they've already reviewed it. So since this is a brand new problem that I'm reporting, or a new to-do list that I'm entering, I'll leave it unchecked, and here it is, and everything is saved for you automatically, and there's nothing else to do, and this is it. So stay tuned for our next videos. We have more to show you on how Formgram can help you type less.